This is a quick introduction to Sigma's Google Analytics 4 template. This template is meant to sit on all your historic Google Analytics data, including data from before the migration from Universal Analytics or GA3 to GA4. We recommend leveraging the new Snowflake connector for Google Analytics raw data. These KPI tiles could then be configurable to show traffic changes with year-over-year comparisons for broader seasonality trends. We can track new users by week, returning users, engaged sessions by other levels of date granularity, and by any number of different traffic sources. Activity by page title is no longer limited to just the top 12 or bottom 15 performing pages. Sigma will scale for every single page of your website or platform out of the box, even down to lower level daily page performance granularity. We provide a handy Quickstart for preparing your Google Analytics account and then transforming the raw data with our existing SQL script so that you can reuse the same Sigma template out of the box and follow our best practices for rolling up certain KPIs. We're excited to hear folks' feedback and some of the exciting success they could achieve by combining the Snowflake connector for Google Analytics raw data and our new GA4 template.